Welcome students. Now we shall solve more problems on integration by substitution method. So in each of the problems we have to substitute for a proper function. Now look at here. This problem was discussed in the last class. Integral of sine cube x into cos square x dx. Now look at here. This is cube for sine function, isn't it? So whenever the sine cube x or tan cube x is there, apply the trigonometric formula. If it is cube, write as sine square x into sine x into cos square x as it is. This sine square x write as 1 minus cos square x. If it is tan square x, write as 1 plus. If it is tan square x, write as secant square x minus 1. Now look at here. This is cos square x into sine x is written last. Okay, sin x dx. Now look at here. This sin x dx ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ sin x ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ we should take cos x equals t. Okay, we take cos x equals t and differentiate with respect to x. So the derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx dt. So sin x dx will be minus dt. So look at this problem. 1 minus cos square. Cos x is t. So it is 1 minus t square into, again this is cos square is the t square into the entire this sin x dx will be equal to minus dt. So you this taken this minus outside. What is this t square into 1? It is t square. T square into t square, t power 4. Minus is taken out. The integral of t power 2 is t power 3 by 3. For t power 4, t power 5 by 5 plus c. What is t here? Cos x. So it is minus is taken out. Minus admele compulsory you have to write the bracket here. So it is cos cube x by 3 plus cos power 5x by 5. So you can take this as a homework. Look at here. Again cube is for cos function. So write this as cos square x into cos x. Look at it. You transfer this cos. You write this cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. You write cos x in the end. So which is the function when differentiated get cos x? It is sin x. So you take sin x equals t and do it as a homework. So it will become integral of same problem 1 minus t square into t square into, it is not minus dt, it is plus dt. Simplify it and get the result. It's a very simple problem. Now look at here. Cos cube x into e power log of sin x. Look at this. What is e power log of sin x? Sin x get t or cos x get t. That will not work out this problem. So always remember we have a e to the power of log x is always equal to x. Remember it. If it is e power log tan x is there and this is equal to tan x only. Now look at it. E power log of sin x is same as log x. This problem cos cube x into sin x. This is a problem. This is for homework. This is similar to this problem. Look at here. Cos cube x into sin square x. It is sin, okay, cos cube x into sin x dx. Write this cos cube x as cos x into, cos square x into cos x. And again cos square x is 1 minus sin square x into cos x. Right side will be sin x dx. You take cos x equals t and differentiate. Okay, sin x equals t ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, cos cube x ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So 1 minus sin square cos cube x into sin square x. Here it is. This cos cube x is written as integral of, it is okay, it's a simple problem. Just you take cos x equals t ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕಿದಕ್ಕೆ. You take cos x equals t, derivative of cos x will be, we know that it is minus sin x dx will be equal to dt. So we see that the sin x dx will be equal to minus dt. So the entire problem will be just integral of t cube into minus dt. Minus is taken out. Integral of t cube is t power 4 by 4. So you need not to write this as cos square x into cos x beta. Just you take cos x equals t and substitute. This is if it is cos square x, cos cube into sin square x iddaga ee ತರ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, Now look at this problem. Somewhat tricky problem here. Sin of x plus a, it is only sin x is there. If it is sin of x minus a, then also sin x will be there. You write this numerator sin x as sin of what is denominator here, x plus a. Write x plus a. To cancel this a, write minus a. Plus a minus a cancel, it is only sin x. You written it as sin of x plus a and it is minus a. You can cancel these two. You will get same as sin x. Now look at it. Here you take this x plus a as capital A and this a as capital B. This is like sin of a minus b. X plus a is b. Sin of a minus b formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. In the place of a, you have to write x plus a. In the place of b, you have to write a. So sin, this is sin x plus a cos a minus cos x plus a sin a divided by the denominator. You divide each term by the denominator. Sin x plus a cos a by denominator, cos x plus a sin a by denominator. Here you can cancel this, okay? Cos of sin of x plus a and sin of x plus a cancel. Remaining is cos x. Now look at it, sin a is a constant, cos of x plus a, this is cos of x plus a divided by sin of x plus a, this is cot of x plus a, right? This is sin a into cot of x plus a. Now look at here, cos a is a constant, it's an important one. What is the integral of cos a dx? If you write this is equal to sin a, then it is wrong. This is a wrong. Okay, because cos a is a constant. So integral of cos a dx will be constant into x. That is, it is cos a into x plus c. Remember it. So integral of cos a is cos a into x minus sin a is a constant. Illige sin a ke cos a baribaru because it is a constant. Remember it. Here sin a and cos a are constants. So integral of cot of x plus a, remember integral of cot x is log of sin x, formula neppetukobeku. Integral of cot x is log of sin x. So integral of cot of x plus a is log of modulus of sin of x plus a plus c. So this is the answer. Okay. Now look at it. Very similar to the last problem. Look at this. It is x minus a is there. Here only x is there. Write the numerator as x minus a plus a. Right. And you consider this x minus a as capital A and a as capital B. Sin of a plus b. So it is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. In the place of x, you are having x minus a. In the place of b, you are having a. So it is, again it is sin x minus a cos a plus cos x minus a sin a. Divide each term by the denominator, you can cancel again this. Cos by sin, it is cot. Okay. As you know that integral of cos a is a constant. For example, integral of 2 dx is there. If it is 2 dx, then I write it as 2 into x plus c. So cos a into x plus c. Sin a is a constant. Cot of x minus a log of modulus of sin of x minus a plus c. Okay. Now look at this problem also. Here numerator is cos, there is no cos or sin here. But in the denominator you are having x minus a and x minus b. And both are cos. Denominator contains both cos functions. So then take numerator sin function. ಆಯ್ತಾ? both cos ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ತಗೋಬೇಕು. both sin ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ sin ತಗೋಬೇಕು. sin cos ಇದ್ದಾಗ cos ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Here both are cos, you take sine of, this is x minus a minus of x minus b. What is x minus a minus of x minus b? Now we see here, look at here. X minus a minus of x minus b will be x minus a minus x plus b. You can cancel these two and minus into minus plus. This is remaining will be b minus a. B minus a is nothing but it is a constant. So numerator, this entire numerator is nothing but sine of b minus a. Entire numerator is sine of b minus a. So here to cancel this, I have to write this as 1 divided by sine of b minus a into this numerator. Numerator simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ sine of b minus a ಇದು cancel ಆಗಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now look at this, x minus a as a. Take this x minus b as b and apply the formula sine of a minus b. It is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. In the place of a, you are having x minus a. In the place of b, you are having x minus b. Now look at here, 1 divided by, sign print agilla, 1 divided by sine of b minus a into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Divide each term by the denominator here. If we divide each term by the denominator, what we get here? 1 by sine of b minus a into, look at this, here cos of x minus b, cos of x minus b cancel. Divide second term by the denominator, it is cos of x minus a, cos of x minus a cancel. So what is remaining here? It is again 1 divided by sine of b minus a into integral of sine by cos is tan of x minus a, sin x minus b by cos x minus b, tan of x minus b. Again 1 divided by sine of b minus a. Remember, important one, integral of tan x dx will be log of modulus of secant x plus c. Integral of cot x will be log of modulus of sin x plus c. This is secant x plus c. Integral of tan is log of mod secant x. So integral of tan x minus a is bracket hakole log of secant modulus of x minus a, again plus log of modulus secant of modulus of x minus b plus c. So remember it, okay? Now look at this problem here. We know that, look at here, we all know that what is e to the power of log x is log x. X power 4 plus 1 to the power of minus 1 andre 1 by x power 4 plus 1. Look at this. We know that what is 3 log x. Can we write, if we have log m power n is there, I can transfer this n here, n log m ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? So in this way 3 log x na e to the power of log x cube ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. So we see that e to the power of log x cube, e and log get cancelled. As I told you, e power log sin x is the sin x. So this is, so this transfer 3 is transferred to here. So that is e power log x cube into to the power of minus 1 is 1 by x to the power of 4 plus 1 dx. E power log x cube is x cube divided by x power 4 plus 1. We see that whenever if you differentiate x power 4, you will get x cube term. So you take x power 4 plus 1 equals t, differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of x to the power of 4? 4x cube dx dt. X cube dx is dt by 4. To the numerator x cube dx is dt by 4. Denominator x power 4 plus 1 is t. 1 by 4 is taken out. dt by t, 1 by 4 into log of t, the log ittallella modulus haki, log of mod t plus c, 1 by 4 into log of modulus of x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus c. Now look at this problem. It is a very simple problem. e to the power of 5 log x. It can we write it as e to the power of 5 log x is e power log x power 5. This 5 comes to here power. E power log x power 5 is same as x power 5. So the first one is x power 5. Similarly, second one x power 4. This is x cube. This is x square. X power 5 minus x power 4. X power 4 is taken out. It is x minus 1. Here x square is taken on x minus 1. X minus 1, x minus 1 cancel. X power 4 by x square is x square. What is the integral of x square? It is x cube by 3 plus c. So remember, there are certain problems which are important here. So this is a simple problem, and here you have to take care of this one. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos ಇದ್ದಾಗ sin ಆಫ್ ಇವೆರಡರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x minus a minus of x minus b. ಇಲ್ಲೂ sin ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ sin ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ sin ಆಫ್ x minus a minus of x minus b. one sin one cos ಇದ್ರೆ cos of x minus a minus of x minus b. So if you simplify the entire numerator, you will get, as you see, it is to simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you simplify this entire thing, you will get b minus a. Sin of b minus a numerator ಇದ್ರೆ cancel ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ 1 by sin of b minus a. ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ಇದು ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So remember, here in this problem, the numerator x, you write it as x minus a plus a. X minus a is a is b. Apply the formula, divide each term by denominator. Okay. Similarly, this is also x plus a. Okay, try to solve and do all these problems 2 to 3 times. Then you will be familiar with these problems. Okay, thank you.